Which of the following stages of meiosis involves division of centromere? Metaphase 1, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase. Solution. Splitting of centromere occurs during anaphase of mitosis or anaphase 2 of meiosis. Anaphase 2, option number C, is the correct answer. The process of appearance of recombination nodules occurs at which substage of prophase 1 in meiosis? Zygote, pachytene, diplotin, dikinesis. The process of recombination occurs at pachytene stage of prophase 1. Option number B, pachytene, is the correct answer. Among eukaryotes, replication of DNA takes place in M phase, S phase, G1 phase, G2 phase. Replication of DNA takes place in S phase of the cell cycle. Option B, S phase, is the correct answer. Which one of the following never occurs during mitotic cell division? Movement of centrioles towards opposite poles, pairing of homologous chromosomes, coiling and condensation of chromatids, spindle fiber attached to kinetochores of chromosomes. Mitosis does not have a pairing of homologous chromosomes. It occurs in prophase 1 of meiosis 1. Option B, pairing of homologous chromosomes. Cells in G0 phase terminate the cell cycle, exit the cell cycle, enter the cell cycle, suspend the cell. Some cells in the adult animals do not appear to exhibit division, and many other cells divide only occasionally as needed to replace cells that have been lost because of injury or cell death. These cells that do not divide further exit G1 phase to enter an inactive stage called quiescent stage. Option B, exit the cell cycle, is correct. The stage during which separation of the paired homologous chromosomes begins is pachytene, diplotin, dikinesis, zygote. During diplotin, the nucleoprotein fusion complex of synapsed chromosomes dissolves partially, therefore homologous chromosomes separate except in the region of crossing over. Option B, diplotin, is the correct answer. Anaphase promoting complex APC is a protein degradation machinery necessary for proper mitosis of animal cell. If APC is defective in human cells, which of the following is expected? Chromosomes will be fragmented. Chromosomes will not segregate. Recombination of chromosome arm will occur. Chromosome will not condense. During anaphase in mitosis, sister chromatids segregate at opposite poles. Therefore, a defective APC will affect chromosome segregation. Option B, chromosome will not segregate. Spindle fiber attach onto centromere of the chromosome, kinetosome of the chromosome, telomere of the chromosome, kinetochore of the chromosome. Small disc-shaped structures at the surface of the centromere are called kinetochores. These structures serve as the site of attachment of spindle fibers to the chromosome that are moved into the position at the center of the cell. Option D, kinetochore of the chromosome. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature during mitosis in somatic cells? Chromosome movement, synapses, spindle fiber, disappearance of nucleolus. Synapses is the process of association of homologous chromosomes. It takes place during the zygote stage of prophase 1 or meiosis. This stage is not seen during mitosis. So correct option is option B, synapses. In meiosis, crossing over is initiated at zygote, diplotin, pachytene, leptotin. Crossing over is a process of exchange of genetic material or chromatid segments between two homologous chromosomes. It is initiated during pachytene. So option C, pachytene. Crossing over takes place between which chromatids and in which stage of the cell cycle? It takes place between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes at pachytene stage of prophase 1. Option B. Which of the following stages of meiosis involves division of centromere? Anaphase 2, telophase 2, metaphase 1, metaphase 2. Anaphase 2. It begins with the simultaneous splitting of the centromere of each chromosome, which was holding the sister chromatids together, allowing them to move towards opposite poles of the cell. Option A, anaphase 2. The centriole undergoes duplication during metaphase, G2 phase, S phase, prophase. In animal cells, during the S phase, DNA replication begins in the nucleus and the centriole duplicates in the cytoplasm. S phase, option C. Which stage of meiotic prophase shows terminalization of chasemata as its distinctive feature? Dikinesis, pachytene, leptotene, zygotene. The final stage of meiotic prophase 1 is dikinesis, that is marked by terminalization of chasemata. Option A, dikinesis. The fruit fly has 8 chromosomes in each cell. During the interphase of mitosis, if the number of chromosomes at G1 phase is 8, what would be the number of chromosomes after the S phase? 4, 32, 8, 16. However, there is no increase in the chromosome number. If the cell had diploid or 2n number of chromosomes at G1, even after S phase, the number of chromosomes remains the same, 2n. Option C, 8. During cell growth, DNA synthesis takes place on S phase, G1 phase, G2 phase, M phase. It takes place during S phase of the cell cycle. Option A, S phase. The correct sequence of phase of cell cycle is G1, S, G2, M is the correct sequence. Option A, G1, S, M. The appearance of recombination nodules on homologous chromosomes during meiosis characterizes bivalent sites at which crossing over occurs, terminalization, synaptonymal complex. Correct option, sites at which crossing over occurs. Option B.